Your height depends on your genetics, but some nutrients can ensure adequate growth and development. Young people who have not yet reached their final height, diet can have a major impact on the process. After we are in your 30s, we may slowly and gradually begin to lose our height. This occurs for many reasons, either through natural damage and torn joint cartilage, or because of bone diseases, such as osteoporosis, which can shorten the spine. Proteins are essential to healthy development, while improving tissue repair and immune function. But some nutrients can ensure adequate growth and development. Other micronutrients, such as calcium, vitamin D, magnesium, and phosphorus, are also involved in bone health, which is essential for growth. And now you know 7 foods that can help you grow longer or maintain your current height. The green leaves, like spinach, turnip and watercress, are amazing when we talk about nutrition. It is rich in vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium and vitamin K, which is a nutrient that can increase bone density and also contribute to better growth. Kidney beans are very nutritious and a good source of protein. They contribute to growth, and they work like insulin, a hormone that regulates children's growth. It also contains a high content of iron, complex vitamins and beans that protect the body from anemia as well as help in tissue growth. Chicken meat is an excellent supplement to a healthy diet, as it is rich in protein and many other essential elements, while chicken rich in vitamin B12 contribute to bone formation and growth, and maintaining advanced height. Almonds are full of vitamins and minerals that are necessary for us to grow. Besides bringing in many healthy fats to our food product, it is rich in fiber, manganese, magnesium and vitamin E, a strong antioxidant, and a lack of vitamin E can cause growth in children to stop. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse rich in protein and vitamin D. Eating eggs can increase the absorption of calcium and also help maintain bone health. Red berries, blueberries, strawberries, and berries are full of important nutrients, especially vitamin C, which promotes cell growth and tissue repair. Especially since vitamin C also increases collagen synthesis, which is the most abundant protein in our bodies and is responsible for increasing and improving bone density. So, filling your diet with many varied nutritional forms can not only improve overall health, but also help you grow longer or maintain your current height.